Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today's video is going to be on this look that I'm wearing right here. I love how it turned out. I feel like it is the perfect Valentine's Day look. I'm actually going to a bridal shower today and I feel like it's perfect for that as well. I love the colors. I love how romantic it looks. It just feels very Valentine's-y. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on my future videos. Also, if you guys have anything fun planned for Valentine's Day, comment them below. I'd love to know what you guys are up to. Jake is actually taking me out to a dinner and it's a surprise. I don't know where we're going or anything about it, so I'm super excited, and I'm definitely gonna recreate this look on Valentine's Day, so I can't wait. So like I said, if you guys want to see how I got this super easy Valentine's Day look, then just keep watching. The first thing that I'm going to do is prime my face, so I'm going to go in with my Badescu Rose Water Spray. Okay, and then going in with my Covergirl TruBlend Pore Minimizing Primer, I'm going to apply that all over my face. I picked this up about a month ago and I have been loving it. It smooths out my skin so well and I feel like it really does minimize my pores. And then on top of that, I'm going to use my Smahsbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm going to put that in my T-zone where I get oily and my pores are more pronounced. Now that our face is primed, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Fair Light Honey, and I'm going to blend that in with my Morphe E31 foundation brush. And then going in with, of course, my favorite concealer, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And this is in the shade Ivory. And I'm using this to conceal as well as to highlight the high points of my face. And I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe M439 blending brush. Okay, and then to set underneath my eyes, I'm going in with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm taking the Real Techniques setting brush. And then I'm also going to take this and set my chin, my nose, and my forehead. So everywhere that I put concealer. Alright, and then to set the rest of my face, I'm going with my Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Press Powder. And I'm just taking my big Real Techniques powder brush. Okay, so then to contour and bronze my face, I'm going in with the NYX Matte Bronzer in medium to contour, and then I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in this shade Deep Bronzer, and I'm going to use that to bronze up the rest of my face. Alright, and then to add some color to my cheeks, I'm going to go in with the Milani blush in Dolce Pink. All right, and then moving on to brows, I'm going with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Duo in medium brown. There's two shades in here. There's a lighter shade and there's a little bit of a deeper shade. So I'm gonna be going in with this one, the deeper shade. And I'm just taking this angled flat eyeshadow brush. Brows are done. Let's go ahead and set them. And we're just going in with my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara to set our brows. Taking the Rimmel Stay Matte powder that I used on my face, I'm going to set my eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to be working from two eyeshadow palettes today. The first one is going to be the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Copper Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So pretty. And then I'm also going to be dipping into my Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So since it's Valentine's Day, I kind of wanted to go for like a pinky purple smoky eye, and both of these have some really pretty pinky, burgundy, purple shades in it. So let's see. I think I'm gonna start with the Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right up here. And I'm just taking a big eyeshadow brush because this I'm just gonna apply all over my lid. All right, and then actually dipping into the Bare Minerals palette, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Truth. It's kind of like a cool toned mauve pink color. So I'm gonna take a blending brush and apply this to my crease. So there's just a jet flying by. It's fine. We'll wait. Okay, and then going back to the Chocolate Bar palette, I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here. It's a deep purple shade, and I'm gonna go in with an even smaller blending brush. And this is gonna go, I'm gonna use this to deepen up the crease a little bit. All right, and I actually think I'm gonna do a cut crease. So I'm gonna grab my concealer and a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm taking my concealer, okay, so now that we've applied the concealer to our lids, like I said, I'm gonna go in with this really light pink shade from the Chocolate Bar palette. We're gonna apply that right on top. All right, and then taking the brush that we used with the deep purple color, I'm gonna dip back into that and just deepen the crease up again a little bit. All right, and so now that we've deepened up the crease a little bit, I'm gonna take my original brush and just kind of make sure everything blends evenly. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with this dark purple shade that we deepened up our crease with, and I'm gonna go in with a flat eyeshadow brush and apply this to the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so now that we've deepened up our outer corner and made kind of like a wing with our eyeshadow, I'm going to take this little Buxom eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this second shade right here. It's kind of like a champagne pinky glittery color. And I'm going to put that on top of the light pink color that we laid down. Alright, and then I'm just going to take a eyeshadow brush with nothing on it and just kind of make sure everything is blended together. And then I'm just going to repeat exactly what I did on the top underneath my eyes. Alright, and then for my inner corner, I'm going in with the Buxom palette that I used this shade on my lid. I'm going in with this first shade to brighten my inner corner and highlight my brow bone. Okay, and I think instead of going in with an eyeliner to do a wing, I'm going to use eyeshadow. So I'm going to go back into the Gen Nude Copper Bare Minerals palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Wild Child, and I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush to make a wing. Okay, so now that our eyeliner and eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go in with lashes, and I'm going in with the Kiss Ritzy lashes in Natural Black. I'm going to apply these off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so while I waited for my lash glue to dry, I went ahead and did my hair. I'm actually going to a bridal shower today, so this look was perfect for today as well as for Valentine's Day. So I'm super, super excited with how the eye look turned out. I love the eyeshadow as liner versus having like a harsh black liner line, I guess. So I'm loving how it turned out with the pinks and the little bit of shimmer and then the purple burgundy kind of colors. I think it just all comes together and looks very Valentine's-y. To finish up this look, we just need to do our lips and add some highlight. So I'm going to be taking this NARS satin lip pencil just to line my lips. So then I'm going to take this little Tarte Color Splash lipstick, and this is in the shade Salt Life. It's such a beautiful color. Alright, and then for highlight, I'm going in with my, of course, Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Opal. And then going over that with my Makeup Revolution Vivid highlighter, and this is in the shade Golden Lights. Alrighty, and then time to set everything. Of course, going in with my Badescu Rose Water Spray. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how this look turned out. I feel like it's very romantic and just perfect for Valentine's Day. Like I said, comment below if you guys are doing anything fun for Valentine's Day. And also, if you guys recreate this look, let me know as well. Tag me on Instagram. I'm going to have my Instagram linked down below, so go give me a follow there as well. Yeah, and make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!